Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background of your picture in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have added my picture to this document and I'm going to show you how we can remove the background of this picture. If you want to remove it, you can click on the picture and then you will be able to go to the picture format. And in the picture format, you can select the remove background menu. Okay, and then you can mark areas to keep or mark areas to remove. And I'm going to mark areas to keep like this. Okay, and you can keep marking until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and then since this is just for an example, so I won't be perfect in marking the area, and after that you're going to click on keep changes, and as you can see now the background of this picture has been removed in this document. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove background of our pictures in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.